Here we are. Yesterday the surveyor came and marked the point for the building. We can see here that we have yesterday the corners of the building. Here is one of them. Here is the actual point. This is the corner of the building, and there's two control that are 5 feet distant each of the one of the main point. Then we have the other point over there. This particular building makes like an offset at some point, so there's another point marked here. They mark it today, and then there's another point here, and over there at the end it's going to be the final point of the southwest corner of the building. So now today the shell contractor is throwing lines of control to control how the building is going to be, and with this wood here they are going to start throwing some lines and basically making the shape of the actual building, all the square around, so they can start digging, because when they dig they're going to lose. That point is one of the actual corner of the building, but you can see that are in the way where the piles and the pile cap are going to be, so they're going to lose it. So for that reason they're going to put a line from here all the way to the other point, and they're going to keep the lines, and where the line intersect is going to be the point. We're going to see the rest of the work be done day by day.